So welcome back to the Mental Pigs channel, and we're gonna talk about arbitrage options, basically online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, wholesale, and I'm gonna add on top Lego investment because uh, basically everyone we want to make money, let's say. And I'm gonna explain what to choose, let's say. I see lots of confusions, let's say, on internet, on our server, what to do in life related to Amazon activities, what to sell, what to start, especially what to start, because majority is confused. I noticed it a lot, like with misunderstandings about what is retail, actual retail, not some hobby based, but actual retail, which only can be more successful than wholesale, actual wholesale. With the profitability and scalability, even it sounds ridiculous, but it is like this. Basically online arbitrage, again, people are confused a lot. I know it's they're not finding nothing and they're crying all over internet and they cannot understand how it works even, and they're saying it's not working, but it's basically every business model requires knowledge. That's it, nothing else. Money comes from knowledge, information. Money doesn't come just by sitting, and it's not appearing like that. You need to know informations, and basically information which one majority don't know, let's say, like this, or build it up experience to not waste time on specific tasks which one not bringing nothing, let's say, valuable. As a business owners, you all want money in this position, yeah. So it's always about money equal information of knowledge. That's it, basically. And I'm gonna start with, let's say, online arbitrage. Microphone, guys. With online arbitrage, most easiest way is online arbitrage. Basically, if you don't have any free time, or you busy, or you got children, this is most common, I think, issue is having family or responsibilities in life. Online arbitrage is for you, but you need to build up experience and your systems on top of it. It's not easy because online arbitrage is the most competitive business model on Amazon FBA. Most competitive. This is like how it was starting all this situation about people sitting at homes multiple years ago, like and like flipping. There was called it drop shipping, let's say, previously, lots of years ago. They started with dropshipping ideas, then like implementing online arbitrage activities, like using prep centers. Again, who don't have time, using prep centers, so third-party companies who's fulfilling these orders. So basically, from Tesco, from Mazda, from Sainsbury's, going these items into the prep center, which one is third party, not Amazon, but third party services, other business owners. And again, scaling activities, which one is basically hands down, almost no need nothing but just sitting on your computer and generating these revenues. Obviously, time to time, after a couple of years, after multiple years, let's say, because of the competition, just basic reason, competition always is the main key of losing all the profits. Prices going down, because remember that that's not eBay. Amazon is not eBay. Amazon is creating one listing and you're sharing all your sellers on one listing. So that's really, how to say that, not so perfect system, but it is like this. This is arbitrage, only arbitrage, and you cannot do nothing just to implement new ideas, new systems, new tactics, which one is really helpful and be successful like this. But remember, majority of newbies gonna burn on this and they're gonna make nothing. Almost 99%, all of them gonna be dead soon. And it's this how to say that circle is repeating every year, repeating. Everyone is crying. Some of them making money, but majority is crying because they cannot understand what is price drop, what is penny under, what is how to manipulate, let's say, prices, how to manipulate other sellers. There is lots of situations related to online arbitrage, and more you're smart and more you money making on it. If you're not smart, the whole newbies almost dying out very soon. Basically, so like I said, online arbitrage necessary. What is your computer and money and some tools. Tools is going to be very important because because of the competition, repricer sourcing tool like Bible Pro or SAS choosing, and you need repricer 100%. I would say 5,000%. You need repricer. These years finish it without repricers selling because of the competition, basically like that. And you need as fast repricer as possible, but depending on competition of ASIN itself. If competition is very low on that ASIN specific, obviously you can play around with simple reprices. There is loads of reprices, cheap ones, options, which one just dropping or increasing, whatever, just playing around. Amazon itself got repricer, own reprice, but as I remember, Amazon just dropping always down. It's not recovering. So that's the problem with the Amazon systems, because for Amazon is beneficial to use own reprice because they're not giving you options to get more, because you're gonna charge more customers. Amazon is so smart, they making you to become stupid, basically. So basically, they want always to take from your pocket money and give to the customer. So basically, taking your items and selling for very cheap to the customers, because customer gonna be happy as hell saying, "Oh, I bought that on Amazon for very cheap prices than on some Sainsbury's or whatever, or other websites." So this is, remember that Amazon is very sketchy as a company. They always trying to get money from third parties like us, basically. So always use other companies as pricers or tools, because these gonna be the best ones options, because third party companies always creating tools which one is more helpful than basic ones, standard words, which one is already implemented into the systems, let's say. So reprices very important. Like I said, if competition is very low, simple reprice is good. If competition is very high, like 50, 100, 150 sellers, you need something strong reprices like PPP STK, or there was another one which one is expensive. It's a couple of hundreds per month, I think was. Just forgot that name. It was a very simple name, but I forgot. But there is some very expensive reprices, but they are fast. But if you scaling your business, you can think about that, to take these expensive tools. Which one I was telling you about that. Good tools, let's say, cost money, but they does the job, let's say, properly than basic stuff. And what else benefits is with online arbitrage? Benefits with online arbitrage business model is you can do that from anywhere, basically. No need to waste your time in local stores, no need to stick around in your office, no need to stick around in your house, no need. You're just taking your laptop and going whatever you want. It can be different country, it can be different location. Plus, another one beneficial thing, it can be adjustable time frames for you to work on it, basically. You can work middle of the night, you can work middle of the day, morning, evening. So you basically choosing and adjusting your life situation. This online arbitrage business model. It's very easy to start, very difficult to make money. So remember that. But with knowledge in place, you're gonna make it. How to improve, let's say, online arbitrage? What I could give you some tips. Let's say, if I'm saying like it's very competition based business model and low profitabilities, becomes be smarter a little bit. Obviously, if you're using third party prep centers, is going to be difficult, but I would recommend specific inventory should be on hold actually when you're purchasing. But who's got warehouses and got own units or whatever, own storage, or at house you're storing your inventory and you're not using prep centers, you got, guys, extra beneficial stuff, which one is called that holding your inventory for longer time frames to price recover. Price, if it's dumped and you see 50 sellers or 100 sellers, this price not gonna recover for minimum couple of months. That's my experience. I was always choosing a business model, this online arbitrage or retail, especially retail, to hold it, and it was taking about half year, so about 6 months, something like that, to recover. Because remember that all newbies not gonna hold for that time frame. they're gonna die out because they want revenue to generate straight away and flip it another one. If you want to see all this video about 1 hour long related to online, retail, wholesale, private label, Lego business models related to Amazon FBA activities, sales or investment, join us, link below in description section. Private group, Discord, mental pics, private group. All videos, mentoring videos is available there. Join us, you're gonna love it. We got fresh arbitrage leads, online arbitrage leads, all guidances, professional guidances. And check this out. Last recap how it looks. It looks ridiculous. Check this out. Last Amazon on arbitrage leads 683, Amazon arbitrage leads 185, and so on. It's ridiculous how many integrations we got two on top. So join us, you're gonna love it. Next time.
Look, Ma!